My brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of any kind, consider it nothing but joy, because you know that the testing of your faith produces endurance, and let endurance have its full effect, so that you may be mature and complete, lacking in nothing. James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4. Okay, so this is my Liftmaster garage door opener, and my problem was that I was trying to adjust the travel going up. I was hitting the stop screw here, and I was turning the white adjustment screw here, and I kept turning and turning and turning, and nothing changed. What I found was that this little gray wire coming down here was actually broken, and so what I did was I added a little splice here and reconnected it, and now it's stopping way back there. So I'm going to have to readjust it and bring it back to within 3 or 4 inches of the screw here. And so when the adjustments here don't work right, you need to check these wires. There's a couple of wires, a yellow one and a gray one, and if either one of those is broken, it's not going to work right. Okay, so I'm going to show you the reverse process. So of taking this side cover off, since I already have it off, but basically there's a screw right here, over here, and then one on the bottom, and this just sits right up on there. Actually, there's a couple little tabs there that these pieces sit down over, and there you can see that's lined up. So I'll put those screws back in. Okay, so I have the cover back on there, and what I did to get that to this point, that's about where you want it. If you look back there, you can see the wood trim on the garage door, so it's all the way up and clear, and this is stopping, probably 4 inches or so from the stop screw. And if you look back in there, you can see the white adjustment screws, and in order to get mine to be in the right place for the upstroke, I adjusted this one, I turned it, the up one, and I turned it in the direction of the arrow there, and that brought it back to where it was supposed to be. Thanks for watching.